If you constantly feel tired, fall sick easily, or your energy just crashes during the day, then you need to try this simple yet powerful combo, banana and oregano. It might sound unusual, but the results are nothing short of incredible when it comes to boosting your immune system naturally. Start with 1 ripe banana. Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber, all essential for immune function and gut health. Peel it and slice it into small, easy-to-eat rounds. Now take half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a super herb packed with antioxidants like thymol and carvacrol. These compounds help fight inflammation, kill harmful bacteria, and reinforce the body's defenses against infections. Sprinkle the oregano evenly over your banana slices. If you prefer a smoother mix, you can also blend the banana with a pinch of oregano into a smoothie with a splash of water or almond milk. Eat this mix once a day, preferably in the morning or mid-afternoon as a snack. The banana provides clean energy and feeds your gut with prebiotic fiber, while the oregano works as a natural shield for your immune cells. Try it daily for a week and watch your body feel stronger, more energized, and better protected. Sometimes, the best immunity boosters are already sitting in your kitchen, and this duo proves it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss another powerful natural remedy. More easy and effective health tips are coming your way.